This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reprogram a Cadillac CTS key fob. Insert the physical key into the ignition and turn to the on position without starting the engine, then press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob as instructed. Cycle the ignition off and on as required, and test each button for proper response before finishing and repeating for additional fobs. Begin by ensuring you have a working key fob to initiate programming mode and that all doors remain closed. With the key inserted, cycle the ignition between OFF and on positions as specified by the Cadillac procedure to enter programming. When the vehicle signals programming mode, press the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob in the required order, listening for chimes or door locks to confirm each step. Hey, quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to show support. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make it perfect for keeping your garage and car mats tidy while you work on reprogramming key fobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not program, try replacing its battery and performing the sequence again, making sure each step is timed precisely. Check that doors are fully closed and that no other remotes are transmitting nearby. Avoid repeated rapid attempts that may lock out programming. Let the vehicle sit for a few minutes and retry. When problems persist, seek professional help from a dealer or certified locksmith to avoid damage or unnecessary part replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.